Hello and welcome to my channel. I am certainly glad you could join us today. Today I'm going to show you how to glaze an acrylic painting using Liquitex Glazing Medium and Liquitex Soluvar. Alright, the process is really straightforward. I'm just going to shake up the glazing medium here. I'm going to put it on a paper plate and just use an old 2-inch brush to apply it. Apply the glazing medium using crisscross strokes. Then use horizontal and vertical strokes to even out the glazing medium, to make sure that the glazing medium completely covers your painting, and to get rid of any unwanted crisscross brush strokes. We've applied the first coat. It takes anywhere from 40 to 60 minutes, an hour to dry, but I will let it dry completely for 4 hours. It'll dry to the touch in about 40 minutes to an hour, but it'll be completely dry in 4 hours and we can go ahead and put another coat on. You can use water to thin the glazing medium, but I don't do that. And I got in the habit of not doing that because I used to use white gesso as my white, and the gesso, when I would varnish the painting with water added to the glazing medium, would rub away. So that was a bad thing. So I just got in the habit of just using pure glazing medium to apply it to the painting. All right, over 4 hours has passed and now it's time for a second coat. Okay, so now it's time to add the Soluvar, which is removable varnish. It's important to note now that even though I'm using Liquitex products, I am not endorsed by or sponsored by Liquitex. So this is just me making this video for you. Soluvar is an archival removable varnish. It's permanent, non-yellowing, flexible, water resistant, all the good stuff to protect your painting, and it dries in 3 days. So the reason why we add the glazing medium first is because that's the actual protective layer of the painting. Now the Soluvar is removable, so if something happens to the painting, like it gets dirt on it or nicotine, the Soluvar can be removed with mineral spirits, and the glazing medium underneath, once you get down to it, that's what protects the painting. So all the dirt is actually on the Soluvar layer, dirt, grime, nicotine, whatever. So when that Soluvar layer is clean and removed, it's not gonna touch the painting because you have the glazing medium under there already. So that is why we do the glazing medium first, followed by the Soluvar. So let's go ahead and apply it. But before we do, just please note that you should use Soluvar in a well-ventilated area. It is very strong. And if you ever do have to remove it, use odorless mineral spirits. Okay, like the glazing medium, I'm going to put the Soluvar on a paper plate. It's pretty strong. I'm going to use a sponge to apply it only because I ruined a good brush. Yeah, a decent brush. Applying it before. And I do this before I glaze and varnish anything. I always take a brush and wipe the painting down in case there's any dust or cat hair or anything like that on the painting. So, and we're just gonna, like we did with the glazing medium, just use the crisscross strokes and just cover the entire painting. All right, the painting is completely covered with Soluvar. It's gonna take 3 days to dry and then it'll be ready to sell. Speaking of which, I just recently moved to a new area for my hometown and I'm having a really hard time finding a job. So if y'all wanna help me out, you can purchase this painting. I'll put it on my Etsy site. The link will be in the description below. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe, share it. It helps out more than you know. I really do appreciate it. Y'all take care. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.